Hello students, welcome back to your grammar session. Now today we will start with our chapter number 19 of grammar, that is tenses. Now we have already learned that verbs are action words. Okay, they tells us about an action. Okay, verbs क्या है? Action words है. वो क्या हमें बताते हैं कि क्या actions हो रही है. For example, read, write, sing, cook, eat, sit, play, okay, and many more. Now read the following sentence with me loudly. The dog is barking loudly. Ragini sang beautifully. He will cook the food. Now the tenses of a verb tells us whether something is happening now, has already happened, or is going to happen. Okay, see the first sentence. The dog is barking loudly means वो अभी हो रहा है. ओके, हैपनिंग नाउ. रागिनी सैंग ब्यूटिफुली. ओके, ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. कैसे पता चला? सैंग. ओके, अगर अभी प्रेजेंट में होता तो क्या होता? सिंग. बट दिस इज सैंग, सो इट ऑलरेडी हैपेंड. एंड ही विल कुक द फूड. इज गोइंग टू हैपन. ओके, ही विल मीन्स अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, बट ही विल कुक. ओके, वो कुक करेगा अभी. ओके, अभी तक कुक हुआ नहीं है. So this is all. The tense of the verbs tells whether something is happening now, has already happened, or is going to happen. Okay. Now basically there are three kinds of tenses, that are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Now again read with me aloud. Akhil reads newspaper. Baby plays with toys. Maid cleans the room. Okay, so the verb read, plays, and cleans, they show the present time. Okay, they show a present time, so these are known as present tense. Why present times बता रहे हैं? Okay, the baby अभी खेल रहा है. Okay, अखिल अभी न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा है. एंड द मेड जो है वो रूम को साफ कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो इट शोज द प्रेजेंट टाइम, जो अभी हाल फिलहाल हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टीचिंग यू टेंसेस. सो दिस इज अभी हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ प्रेजेंट टेंस. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी अबाउट पास्ट टेंस. अगेन रीड विथ मी अलाउड. सोनिया ड्रैंक अ ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क. Raj gave the key to the driver. The grandfather slept for an hour. Okay, the action verbs here are drank, gave, and slept. Okay, they show the past time. So these are the past tense. Okay, ये क्या बता रहा है? drank, gave, slept, ये क्या है? जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. सोनिया drank a glass of milk means सोनिया ने क्या किया है कि मिल्क का ग्लास पी लिया है. ओके, मिल्क जो है वो पी लिया है पहले. राज गेव द की टू द ड्राइवर. राज ने क्या किया है? की को अपने ड्राइवर को दे दिया है. एंड द ग्रैंडफादर स्लेप्ट फॉर एन आवर. ओके, और ग्रैंडफादर 1 घंटे पहले सो गए थे. सो दिस इज ऑल हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. ओके, ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. फॉर अदर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. He had 2 chapatis for dinner. Okay, he had means उसने डिनर में क्या खाया था? 2 चपाती खाई थी. He danced till late in the party. Okay, he danced the late in the party. जो नाइट को पार्टी थी उसमें क्या किया था? He was dancing late till late night. Okay, so this is all about past tense, जो बताते हैं कि ऑलरेडी जो है एक्शंस पास्ट में हो चुकी है. And we will see about future tense now. Again read with me aloud. Crops will grow by the next summer. Farmers will cut the crops. Family will celebrate after the harvest. Okay, so the action verbs here are will grow, will cut, will celebrate. Okay, and they show the future time. They show future time. So as they show future time, they are future tense. Okay, it is called फ्यूचर टेंस मीन्स विल ग्रो, मतलब अभी तक जो हुआ नहीं है बट आगे होगा. ओके, लाइक क्रॉप विल ग्रो बाय द नेक्स्ट समर. क्रॉप जो है वो नेक्स्ट समर तक ग्रो हो जाएंगे. फार्मर्स विल कट द क्रॉप. ओके, फार्मर्स जो है वो क्रॉप को क्या करेंगे, कट करेंगे, अभी तक किया नहीं है. एंड फैमिली विल सेलिब्रेट आफ्टर द हार्वेस्ट. और फैमिली जो है वो क्या करेंगे, सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. ओके, करेंगे मीन्स इन द फ्यूचर, अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर फ्यूचर टेंस. Now every tenses has its further types. For example, now in present tense. So present tense has simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, past tense has simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. And future tense has simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Here we will study about simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. And today we are only going to study about simple present tense. We will study simple past tense and simple future tense in the next session. Now read with me aloud. Now Anya goes to market. She speaks well. Maid cleans the floor. Okay, can you see goes, speaks and cleans? They are in the present form? Yes. Now in this above sentences, the highlighted words are in the first form. Whenever I say when it is a first form, means it is a present form. Always remember, first form is a present form. Okay, so the highlighted words are in the first form of their verb and they are also in agreement with the subject. Now, when the verb used is in its first form, that is present form, it is said to be simple present tense. Are you getting me? Whenever the verbs are in the first form, it is said to be simple present tense. Okay, is that clear? Now we use the following formation to construct a sentence in simple present tense. Okay, first we use subject. Okay, subject, that is a like a name or he, she, it. Okay, and then we use subject plus verb. Verb is in first form. First form means present tense. Okay, and then we put s or es. Okay, and then other words. Now for example, we use the sun. The sun is a subject. Then we use rise, R-I-S-E, rise, and that is rise means verb form. Okay, that is a first form, and then we added s at the end of the rise. Okay, R-I-S-E, rise. Then it becomes s and es, that is rises, and then other words, that is in the east. The sun, that is subject, rise, that is verb, and we added s, then other words, in the east. The sun rises in the east. The other example is my brother. Okay, my brother is a subject. Play, and then we added s. Okay, so plays, that is verb plus s, and hockey in the school, that is other word. Now my brother plays hockey in the school. Similarly, there are a few more example I will give you. Kritika asks many questions. Kritika is subject and verb plus ses, that is ask, 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 that is verb, and added s. Asks, asks many questions is other words. Okay. Now we will quickly see the uses of simple present tense. Now to show habits. Okay. For example, she bakes a cake every Sunday. Okay, she means a girl. She is baking cake every Sunday to show habits. Okay, he reads newspaper daily. एक हैबिट हो गई जो रोज करते हैं वो, ओके। ना सेकेंड इज टू टेल समथिंग विच इज ऑलवेज ट्रू, दैट इज अ यूनिवर्सल ट्रू, जो कहाँ भी जाओ वो सच ही होता है, ऐसा ट्रू। अगर ऐसा कुछ सेंटेंस हमें यूज़ करना है तो उसके लिए हमें सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करना पड़ेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 कम्स आफ्टर 2, सबको पता है कि 2 के बाद क्या आता है, 3, okay, this is a universal truth, okay, and the earth revolves around the sun. Commentary of a match, for example, Virat takes the ball and hit it towards the boundary. Okay, whenever you are doing a commentary of a match or someone do a commentary, so it comes under simple present tense. Now because the match is going on live, so it should be always in a simple present tense. Other example is, once again Dhoni twisted his wrist and sent the ball up in the air. Okay, so this is about the commentary of match. With a future clause in a sentence, for example, it will be late if it rains in the evening, and they will go if you arrive late. So दिस इज़ लाइक फ्यूचर, जो मे बी फ्यूचर में होने वाला है वो, दैट इफ़ यू गो, इफ़ दे विल गो इफ़ यू अराइव लेट, अगर आप लेट पहुँचे तो वो चले जाएंगे, ये पता ही है, ओके। बट दिस थिंग यू हैव टू से इन प्रेजेंट टेंस. And the news headlines in newspaper, wherever there is a headlines in a newspaper, it will always come under simple present tense. For example, Kejriwal meets the PM, offers full cooperation, and UN envoy to India to meet Indian official today. Thank you.